Welcome to the CADDX Gofilm 20 product tutorial series. This series will provide a detailed introduction to the usage tutorials related to the Gofilm 20 product. This series of tutorials will help you get started with the Gofilm 20 more efficiently. You are now watching the product introduction video of the Gofilm 20. Gofilm 20 is CADDX's first 2-inch Cinewhoop drone. It marks the beginning of CADDX's new product line. It combines aesthetics, image quality, and flight performance in one bind-and-fly drone. The Gofilm 20 comes equipped with CADDX's 4K Moonlight VTX, featuring an independent and complete digital HD system. It offers ultra-high image quality, excellent night vision, and an outstanding FPV experience. The Gofilm 20 operates with a 4S battery. It is equipped with 4 1303 motors. Compared to popular 2-inch drones on the market, it provides more power. The bare drone weighs around 115 grams, allowing for longer flight time and a more agile control experience. Finally, the Gofilm 20 features a simple, high-end design with outstanding aesthetics. It is perfect for beginners, indoor commercial shooting, freestyle, and many other applications. We recommend it to both new and experienced users. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 First Use Guide. When you first open the Gofilm 20 package, you will find the drone and a series of accessories. It is recommended to use a 4S 650 mAh battery to power the drone. The drone comes with a built-in ELRS 2.4 GHz receiver. We recommend using an open-source ELRS 2.4 GHz remote controller to bind with the drone. The Gofilm 20 should be used with Walksnail FPV goggles. In the next video, we will introduce how to bind the Gofilm 20 receiver with the remote controller. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 receiver binding tutorial. The Gofilm 20 flight control has an onboard ELRS 2.4 GHz receiver. We recommend using an open-source ELRS 2.4 GHz remote controller to bind with the drone's receiver. Power the Gofilm 20 on and off 3 times quickly. When the receiver's indicator flashes red twice, it enters bind mode. Use the ELRS 2.4 GHz remote controller to bind the drone. Then configure the remote. Click Bind. Once binding is successful, the flight control ELRS receiver light will remain solid red. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 Betaflight ground station setup tutorial. Use the USB cable to connect the Gofilm 20 flight controller to your computer. In Betaflight ground station, go to the mode options. Try toggling the remote sticks. When the yellow cursor moves to the set range, the corresponding function will be activated. You can customize the channel settings to your preference. Once done, click Save. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 Moonlight VTX upgrade tutorial. You can download the latest firmware from Download Center on CADDXFPV.com. The file name Avatar Moonlight Sky.img corresponds to the upgrade firmware for the Moonlight camera. Copy the firmware file to the root directory of the SD card. Insert the SD card into the VTX's slot. Use the provided 6-pin USB cable and insert both ends into the REC port and VTX port of the VTX. Ensure the white wire is aligned with the white dot on the port. Connect the power supply. Wait for the drone's green light to flash. Hold the bind button for 8 seconds. Release the button when the indicator turns into a flashing red light. Do not disconnect power during the upgrade process. The upgrade will take approximately 50 seconds. Once the upgrade is successful, the VTX indicator will flash green or remain solid. The REC indicator will remain solid green. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 and goggles binding tutorial. Gofilm 20 is equipped with the Avatar Moonlight VTX, compatible with all Walksnail series goggles. Connect the power supply to both the Gofilm 20 and the goggles. Wait for both devices to start. Use tweezers, a pin, or other sharp object to press the bind buttons on both the Moonlight VTX and the goggles. The goggles beeper will stop, and the transmission feed will appear on screen. On the goggles, you can check the current version of the Moonlight VTX firmware at any time. Note that when in standby mode, the 4K Moonlight transmission generates a lot of heat. Be cautious of burns. Ensure proper airflow for cooling. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 video stabilization tutorial. Gofilm 20 uses a unique single-arm damping design, which helps to capture stable, high-quality footage. In the goggle settings, adjust the frame rate to standard mode. Then, in the video recording settings, set the resolution to 2.7K and enable EIS. The image displayed in the goggles will now be the stabilized footage. Note that after enabling EIS, the drone will not record gyro data, so you won't be able to stabilize the footage later in gyroflow. Gofilm 20, paired with the Moonlight camera, will automatically record gyro data. While recording video from the drone, it will save a separate gyro data file automatically. You can download the Moonlight lens profile on CADDXFPV.com. Import the video that needs stabilization into gyroflow. Select the corresponding resolution for the Moonlight lens profile. Set the smoothness to 0.1. For the bitrate, set it to a value higher than the original video bitrate. Click Export, and this will output the stabilized video footage. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the Gofilm 20 Ultimate Assembly tutorial. Users can purchase Gofilm 20 parts separately to complete the drone assembly independently. Or, if the drone crashes and some parts are damaged, use this video to replace the damaged parts. Please prepare a screwdriver set and a soldering station. Let's begin assembly. Thank you for watching.